I'm so excited. We're about to check out our Explorer Suite. Number 3094. Oh my goodness. This place is huge, especially for a cruise ship room. Beautiful king-size bed. Walk-in closet with a vanity. Lovely little bathroom. And this bathtub, forget it, best ever. Yes, there's a TV in that mirror. It's all so pretty. This patio, holy cow, I could move in. Back through the lovely sitting room, dining room. Nespresso coffee machine. And goodies. You can ask your room attendant to stock whatever your favorites are. If you have the Explorer Suite on the opposite side of the boat, like our friends, then the patio and everything is set up opposite than ours, like this. Kind of surprised by how few hooks there are in here, so grateful that our friends had these, which you can grab on Amazon. For instance, I cannot get over the patio. Here's a peek at Santorini out our back door. We're anchored offshore. That's the tender that you have to take to get to the island. When your laundry piles up, your room attendant will bring it back in a pretty little care package and hang it in your closet. Huge perk that's included with this room. Tub with the best view on the planet. Brilliant nap spots everywhere. Too bad there's no nap time. Eat outside. Chill outside. Remember that the world is just awesome. Okay, here's what I didn't love about the Explorer Suite on Viking. We did the cruise Empires of the Mediterranean, and on that cruise, the itinerary has you waking up in a new killer location every day. With this big, beautiful patio where you wake up to some spectacular view every day, I felt like I didn't get to enjoy it. I wanted to just lay on the patio with a good book. I wanted to hang out in that sitting room and watch TV. I wanted to stay in the bathtub and enjoy the view, but I didn't feel like anything on the itinerary was worthy of missing either. So, if I ever am blessed enough to stay in the Explorer Suite on Viking again, I want to pick an itinerary that has some at-sea days so that I can enjoy it.